Hello students, welcome to Eduhunt online video classes. In the previous session, we have discussed that area of the rectangular path and area of the path inside the square and outside the square. We have seen the formulas regarding that topic. Now, in this session, we are going to solve questions based on that topic. Okay, let's see the very first question. If there is a rectangular field of dimensions 60 meters and 40 meters respectively, if a path of uniform width 5 meters runs around it, then the cost of leveling the path at 5 by 2 rupees per meter square is. Okay. First, what we have to do? We have to draw a rectangle. This is a rectangle. There is a rectangular field of dimensions 60 meters and 40 meters. This is 60 meters and this is 40 meters. If a path of uniform width 5 meters runs around it means outside. So like this. The width of this path is 5 meters. Right. And then the cost of leveling the path 5 by 2 rupees per meter square we have to find. Now see, first what we have to do? We have to find the area of this outer rectangle and area of inner rectangle. Then we subtract. Then what will we get? We get area of the path. Okay. After getting area of the path, just multiply by 5 by 2. Then you will get the cost of leveling the path. That is the approach for this question. Okay. First of all, while reading the question, we have to know the approach, how we are going to approach the question to solve. That is very, very important. Okay. Let's see how we are going to solve. So, area of outer rectangle. Before calculating area of outer rectangle, we have to know measurements of the outer rectangle. So, here the length will be, this is 5 meters and this is 5 meters. So, this is 60 plus 10, 70. This is 5 meters, this is 5 meters, this is 40 plus 10, 50 plus 10, 60. So, this is 60. So, outer rectangle. Length is equal to 70 meters, breadth is equal to 60 meters. Now, area equal to L into B, 60 into 70, 4200 meters square. This is the area of outer rectangle. Now, find the area of inner rectangle. Length is equal to, it's given 60, breadth is equal to, it's given 40. Now, area will be 60 into 40, that is 2400 meters square. Now, we have to find the area of the path. Area of the path means area of outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle. So, here subtract these two values. That means 4200 minus 2400. Subtract it. 0, 0, 12 minus 4, 8, 3 minus 2, 1. 1800 meters square is area of the path. Then we have to find the cost of leveling this area. So, cost of leveling this area will be 1800 into per meter square, it is 5 by 2 rupees. So, into 5 by 2. Now, cancel it. 5 ones, 5 nines, 18, 0, 0, 9 fives, 4500 rupees. So, total cost will be 4500 rupees. That's it. So, option B will be the answer. Let's see the next question. There is a rectangular field of dimensions 100 meters and 80 meters respectively. If a path of uniform width 10 meters runs inside it, then the area of the path is. Okay, right. First, draw a rectangle. This is a rectangle. Dimensions are 100 meters and 80 meters. A path of uniform with 10 meters runs inside it. So that means inside there is another rectangle. The path width is 10 meters. Now this length will be this 10 and this 10 we have to subtract, so it will become 80. 80 minus 20, it becomes 60. Okay, right. Then the area of the path. Area of the path means area outer rectangle. Area is equal to L into B. So that means 100 into 80 equivalent to 8000 meters square. Now inner rectangle area equivalent to 80 into 60, that is 4800. Okay, right. Now area of the path equivalent to outer rectangle area minus inner rectangle area. That means this 8000 minus 4800. 8000 minus 4800. This 0 minus 0, 0. This 0 minus 0, 0. This becomes 10. 10 minus 8, 2. This becomes 7. 7 minus 4, 3. So 3200 meters square is the area of the path. Okay, so 3200. So option D is the correct answer for this question. Let's see the next one. There is a square field of side 56 meters. If a path of uniform with 4 meters all around it on the outside, then the area of the path is. There is a square field. That means all sides are equal. This is a square field of 56 meters. This is 56 meters. This is also 56 meters. If a path of uniform with 4 meters all around it on the outside, that means outer border. Okay, right. So this is like this. 4 meters. This width is 4 meters. So this is 4, this is 4. This 460, this becomes 64. This is also 64. Okay, right. Now the area of the path we have to find. So here outer square area is equal to outer square side is 64. So 64 square, 64 into 64. So this can be written 64 square. I'll tell you the very simple trick to find the square of any 2-digit number. Have a look into it. 64 square is there. Okay. So how do we find 64 square? First we write the 4 square. 4 square is 16. In unit digit 6 we have to write 1 carry. Next multiply these two. 4 into 6, 24. 24 into 2, because here 2 is there. Okay. 24 into 2. 24 into 2, that is 48. Okay, 48. 1 is carried. So 48 plus 1, that becomes 49. So write 9 over here. Next, square it. 6, 6, 36. 36 plus 4, 40. So 64 square is 4096. Whenever you see the square of any 2-digit number, just follow this method. You will get the square of the 2-digit number very easily. Okay, right. This is 64 square 4096. Next is area of the inner square. Area equal to 56 into 56. So this is 56 square. So again we have to find the square of this number. So 6 square is 36, 3 carried, so 6 we have to write. 5 6 30, 30 into 2, 60. 60 plus 3, 63. So 6 carried, 3 we have to write here. 5 square is 25. 25 plus 6, 3136. Okay. So this is the square of 56. In this manner only we have to find the square of any 2-digit number. Okay. Let's see now the path of the area of the path. Area of the path means outer square area minus inner square area. Outer square area is 4096 and inner square area is 3136. Just we have to subtract these two numbers, we'll get the answer. So here it is 4096 and 3136. 0, 9 minus 3, 6, 9, 960. So option C is the correct answer for this question. Okay. Let's see the next one. There is a square field of side 110 meters. If a path of uniform with 20 meters all around inside it, then the cost of laying a road on the path at 5 rupees per meter square is. There is a square field of side 110 meters. This is a square field of side 110 meters. If a path of uniform with 20 meters all around inside it, so inside another square is there, which is 20 meters width. So width is 20 meters. So this 20 and this 20 we have to subtract, 40 we have to subtract. If I subtract 40 from 110, I will get 70. Okay. So this is also 70. This is 110. Now we have to find the area of the path. So area of the path means area of outer square minus area of inner square. Area of path directly I am calculating is equal to outer square 110 into 110. 110. Okay. So this can be done 11 square. 11 square means 121. 2 zeros. Meter square. Minus. Okay. 70 square. 70 into 70. 7 sevens 49. 00 meter square. Now subtract. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 1, 11 minus 9, 2. This will become 1. 11 minus 4, 7. So 7200 meter square is the area of the path. Okay. So option B will be the correct answer for this question. Let's see the next one. If two crossroads each of width 10 meters run at right angles through the center of the rectangle of length 150 meters and breadth 120 meters, then the area of the crossroads. This is a rectangle. These are crossroads. Two crossroads each of width 10 meters. So this is 10, this is also 10. Length 150 meters and breadth 120 meters. Length, this is 150 and this is 120. Okay, right. So we have to find the area of the crossroads. Here it is crossing 2 times, so we have to subtract this square area. Okay, that we have to remember. So here length, let's take this one first. So the length is 150 into breadth is 10 plus, now take this one, length is 120 into breadth is 10 minus, it is calculated 2 times, so we have to subtract that area 10 into 10. So this is 1500 plus this is 1200 minus this is 100. So 1500 plus 1200, that becomes 2700 minus 100, that is 2600 meter square will be the answer, which is option C. That's it.